U.com is making waves as a new AI search engine, but is it really a worthy alternative to giants like Google? Let's dive in and see if it lives up to the hype or if it falls short in key areas. So, what exactly does U.com offer? At its core, this search engine aims to put you in control of your search experience. It combines traditional search results with AI-generated answers, allowing users to choose how they want to interact with information. The interface is pretty user-friendly, with options to filter results by categories like news, shopping, or even specific apps. One feature that stands out is the UChat functionality, which provides conversational responses alongside regular search results. This could be a game changer for those looking for quick answers without sifting through pages of links. However, there are still areas that feel a bit unclear. For instance, the AI's accuracy can be hit or miss, and sometimes the responses lack depth, leaving users wanting more context. Overall, it seems tailored for users who value personalization in their search experience, but it might not fully satisfy those who rely heavily on comprehensive search results. Now let's weigh the pros and cons. On the plus side, U.com offers a refreshing take on search with its customizable interface and AI integration, which can enhance user experience. The ability to filter results and interact via UChat makes it engaging and unique. But there are downsides. The AI responses can sometimes lack the depth and reliability that seasoned searchers are used to. Additionally, there's limited transparency about how the AI generates its answers, which might raise some trust concerns for cautious users. Pricing isn't an issue since it's free, but the overall effectiveness might not be enough for everyone, especially if you're used to more established search engines. In short, casual users might enjoy the novelty, but more serious searchers may find it lacking. So, should you give U.com a try? If you're looking for a fresh, personalized search experience, it might be worth exploring. However, if you need reliable, in-depth information, sticking with traditional search engines could be a better fit. Overall, it's an interesting tool, but it's not quite there yet for serious users.